everybody, today I'm working on a 14 by 14 canvas and I am just going to do a simple flip cup. And the colors that I've got today, I have got copper, and that is from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. And then this one here is a really pretty purple. It's actually from FolkArt, it's eggplant. And I put some iridescent medium in it. It's nice and sparkly. And then this one here, I don't know if you can see it, it's almost like a really dark cobalt. And I mixed that one together with some leftover blue and green, and those are both from the Fine Touch. And I added iridescent medium to that one also. And then I have in my bottle, I have champagne color. It's a metallic and it is from FolkArt. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so I went around and touched up all the edges, so now I'm going to go over it one last time with my torch. Make sure you get all the air bubbles out. And this turned out great. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're going in for the close-up. I love this painting. I love the lacing. I got a ton of lacing right through here. I got cells, and I didn't add any silicone. I don't know if I said that in the beginning of the video. I didn't add any silicone or alcohol or anything. I don't know if it was just the consistencies of the paint. You know, the floetrol sometimes helps with the cells, but this just turned out amazing. I love this. I wish there was maybe a little more blue. It kind of got lost a little bit, but it looks so cool. So cool. Alright, well thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out the links in my description, and have a great day.